My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely, and all these things that I can't undo. I'm falling apart so slowly. Come alive when we're faded. The summer nights that we're chasing. Want this feeling to last forever, forever. I know it's hard for you to stay, but I can make it another day.
Magic. In cloud there's Frenchman's Cap. That's Lake Burberry right in front of us. Heaps of mountains. The Eildons, Mount Lyell, Lake Burberry again. Absolutely magic. Hey guys, Jay-Z here from Nutrisize. We're going to have a look at Mt Owen today. We cheated a little bit. We've got to ride most of the way up the mountain just to make it a bit easy on us today. So Lisa and I are going to have a look, show you the sights, and yeah, absolutely magic views. Even with a bit of cloud cover, we can see a fair bit. Let's go have a look. Okay, closer to the summit, we've got Eildon Peak right in front of us in cloud. You actually got Barn Bluff and Cradle Mountain over the back there. Panning across Mount Lyell, Mount Sedgwick at the back, Mount Tyndall over the back there, and I have a mind blank with that one, but I'll get the old peak finder out in a minute. And Frenchman's Cap's over to that end. Absolutely fantastic views. There's the airport just down there. Cool. Okay, follow this track up there to the summit. Okay, so we're going to head up this bit here and through a cave hole by the looks. See what happens. Bit of a cave. Oh, there it is. There's the trig. Comes in. Yeah, blowy. Summit of Mt Owen. Phew! Yeah! And greeted it with a ton of cloud. There you go, guys. Reached the summit of Mt Owen. A little bit of help. Take a mates at RoamWild. A bit of a way up. Can't set in. But at least we can take this up now. So, thanks for I'll see you on the next adventure. Cheers.
Carry me home all through the night. I need your love.